Hello. Let's look at how you can create an article as a reusable content item. Xperience stores reusable items that you can display in different places across your website or emails in the Content Hub application. By displaying reusable content, you are not creating copies of this content. Xperience creates links you want to display as references to the reusable item in the Content Hub. Making content reusable helps with content curation. You don't have to think about all the pages where the content is or waste time fixing the same information one by one in different channels. When you need to make a change, you just update the content item itself, and Xperience will automatically display the change in every place you link it to. You add new reusable content items in the Content Hub application. Create a new item, add a name for the editor's internal use, choose the content type article, and continue to create the article itself. The article's title is default for a website, email, or other channels. While creating a content item, you can create a new linked item from the same editing window, for example, a teaser image. You can add all the content you need, publish it, and return to editing the original one that is now reusing the item. Let's continue with the article. Add the summary and the main text. Use the rich text editor to structure the document. Select the article type to categorize the item across different channels. You can use this, for example, for filtering, or to automatically display all articles within the category on an articles page on the company's main website. Similarly, you can hand-pick other articles related to the one you're creating. This helps when other editors decide to display them on a website or in an email. They don't need to spend time looking for the list of related articles. Publish the article to ensure you and your team can use and display it in their channels. You've seen how to create an article item in the Content Hub. Thanks for watching.